So what started off as a hobby became an infatuation. You know, so I got in, and that's how I got into composing and arranging. And music sucks you in, you know, because it's an emotional outlet.
It's an emotional outlet. It is a vibration. It is a vibration more than.
Russell Simmons been 80 years old for the last 30 years. He still look like he could, you know, bag some young shorty. So I'm gonna say,
come on.
Hey, fuck you, man.
Keep it going for Patrice O'Neal.
Sure. That's outstanding. Let me do another one. Fantastic.
Oh, God, yes. What did you do with Jeff?
He's not here today.
Yeah.
You look like a guy that likes Chinese balls.
I do.
Kidding, that's your background.
Oh, wow. So cool, you know?
Or stick. Have you ever knocked on the door of someone you don't know?
We're just gonna be quiet for a sec and wait for him to come in.
You ready? Anyway, I want to get all the way to ask.
Bitch.
Boy, killing it, boy,